Welcome to our guide on how to make money online in 2025. Today, we'll dive deep into two of the leading tools for creating Amazon product descriptions. Amazon product descriptions are crucial for attracting customers. They provide essential details that can make or break a sale. Let's start with Writesonic. This tool is packed with features tailored for Amazon sellers, including customizable templates and AI-driven suggestions. Now, let's check out Copy.ai. Known for its user-friendly interface and diverse content generation capabilities, it's a strong contender for Amazon sellers. When pitting Writesonic against Copy.ai, both offer unique features. Writesonic excels in AI-driven content adaptation while Copy.ai shines in ease of use. User experience varies greatly. While Writesonic might take time to master, Copy.ai is often praised for its simplicity. Let's talk about pricing. Writesonic typically offers competitive pricing plans compared to Copy.ai, making it essential to choose wisely based on your budget. Real users have stories to tell. Many have found success using these tools to boost their Amazon sales. In conclusion, the best tool for crafting product descriptions on Amazon largely depends on your specific needs and preferences. So, whether you opt for Writesonic or Copy.ai, be sure to choose the right tool for your Amazon selling journey. Subscribe for more tips.